Have been a topic that I usually used to talk about before in the past, but since Bitcoin starts depreciating in prices, I kind of like slow down on it a little bit. So in today's video, I'm going to be outlining about 8 ways you can make money with Bitcoin, especially tailoring all that to affiliate marketing as well. They are still connected to affiliate marketing one way or the other. It still boils down to marketing. You're still going to need to learn one or two skills on how to sell products and how to advertise and market as well. So don't just think you're just going to hop in and start making money with Bitcoin without having any skill in marketing. You're also going to learn a little one or two things about marketing. So if you're new here, I mostly do videos like this where I talk about how to make money. And if you like videos like this, hit that subscribe button, share this video with your friends, and tick that notification bell so that you're notified of any videos that I release when I release them. If you have any questions for me, just like my friend that asked the last question, just drop your questions and concerns in the comment section down below. I may make videos like this for you just to reply, to give a reply to your comments. Make sure you watch this video to the end because I have a bonus tip for you at the end of this video. You don't want to miss out on it because some of my videos I mostly give a bonus at the end, an information bonus actually. Don't expect like a t-shirt or a snack from me. Alright, let's get to it. The first way I recommend for you to you can make money with Bitcoin is by, I'm going to be looking at it from what I jot on my screen right here, is by investing in Bitcoin. Either you buy or you hodl. It's called hodl, buying and holding. It's called hodl. That's another name for buying and holding Bitcoin. You can choose to buy Bitcoin and hold Bitcoin for a limited amount of time. Maybe you buy it cheap. Maybe when Bitcoin is around $3,000, you buy, then you allow it to appreciate with time to about maybe $8,000, $10,000. You can do the math yourself and know how much you're going to make from that. A lot of people have been doing this, including the first Bitcoin billionaires. Those 17, they became the first Bitcoin billionaires in the world just by buying Bitcoin when the price was low. Then they sold Bitcoin. Then they hold it till the time Bitcoin price was very, very high. Alright, another way to make big money using Bitcoin is by creating a Bitcoin niche website. You can create a website where you talk about Bitcoin and you review products, you give information about Bitcoin, about what Bitcoin is all about, who started Bitcoin. Actually, Bitcoin started in 2009 by an alias, somebody that uses this alias, Satoshi Nakamoto, 2009. You can give information about Bitcoin, how to start, how to buy Bitcoin, where to buy Bitcoin, how to convert, how to do exchange rate with Bitcoin, and all those stuff. You can provide those informations on your website, and when people come to your website, you can maybe refer them to an affiliate. You can refer them to an affiliate product, or you can bring them into your email list, or you can sell your own products to them. There are so many things you can do when they come to your website. The opportunities there are endless, or you can do sponsored posts on your website. As long as you're having traffic, people can pay you for a space on your website just to advertise their own products and services. Another way to make money, which is my most favorite one, is affiliate marketing. I mentioned it on the previous one I just mentioned, but affiliate marketing is the most important one right here. Wherever you are, whether you have a niche website or not, you can do affiliate marketing. You can do it on YouTube, you can do it on any social media platform out there, or you can also do it on your website. All you have to do is just to refer people to where they can buy Bitcoin from. It can be, you can refer people to Coinbase. I think they offer around 10% of every purchase you refer somebody to. If you refer anybody to their website and the person purchases a Bitcoin worth of $100, I think you're going to get $10. When the person purchases Bitcoin worth of $1,000, you're going to get $100. So on and so forth. That is how you can make money using affiliate marketing. You don't need to have a website. You just need to learn how to market and learn where to target people that are interested in investing in Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies in general. Another way to make money using Bitcoin is Faucets or microtasks. You can, before I used to do that, I will go to some platforms where I'll just click I'll just earn satoshis. Satoshis are little micro bitcoins. Bitcoin can be divisible into 8 decimals. The little ones are called satoshis. And you can go to some websites where you just view adverts, and depending on the number of adverts, then you earn little satoshis. What you're doing there is exchanging your time for such services. Just viewing ads, and you'll be earning satoshis. Sometimes it may be recapture or one thing or the other. So that's why I call it Faucets. And also you're performing microtasks, little taxes, viewing ads. Some websites, some people just want to gain traffic to their site. They just want a lot of people to see their ads. So when you are there, you just view ads, and they give you little satoshis just by viewing ads. Another one is Bitcoin mining. A lot of people are going into mining. Mining is also cool, and some of the mining equipment are kind of like expensive. So some people go for cloud mining, or you can choose to mine yourself and maybe get the softwares for Bitcoin mining and maybe dive into a mining pool and start earning as well with other Bitcoin miners out there. Bitcoin mining is also cool, but one challenge with Bitcoin mining is that the machine takes a lot of energy. So you might, if you're living in an area where you pay for your electricity bill is very, very expensive, you're going to be spending a lot of money in electricity because the machine tends to consume a lot of power. You have to consider that when you're going into Bitcoin mining, when you want to buy your own Bitcoin machine, when you don't want to do cloud mining, like signing up for Genesis and all those mining platforms out there. There are a bunch of them that do cloud mining where you don't actually have to buy the machines yourself. And another one is lending. You can choose to lend your Bitcoin on the lending platforms. There's one that actually existed before, but I think they are down right now, which is called BitConnector. So actually, I'm not a big fan of it because it was sounding so good to be true until it came down actually. And you can look for a good lending platforms. You can search on them. You can search for lending platforms online where you can lend your Bitcoin and they give you a certain percentage, maybe depending on the time frame they are holding your Bitcoin. And the last but not the least is selling your products or your services with and taking payments in Bitcoin. You can choose to sell a particular service, maybe if you're a freelancer or you have a product you created yourself. It can be a digital product or a physical product, whichever one it is, and you choose to sell it and receive payment only in Bitcoin. By doing so, you're making money with Bitcoin. So guys, that will be all for now. As for the bonus tip I promised out there, you have to stay focused, you have to stay persistent in whatever you're doing. There are going to be challenges along the way, there are going to be rough times, but I know when you stay persistent and focused, you're going to get through that stage. That is why I recommend some books in the description down below. As an entrepreneur, you're supposed to stay in that mindset where you are supposed to stay in that mindset where you work on your mind to avoid certain procrastination, certain negative thoughts coming into your mind here and there, and to stay focused in what you are doing actually. So sometimes I read books. I also have some books I read as well, which is why I'm also recommending that you guys should start reading books. It also helps. It also helps you stay ahead of the competition. It helps you stay ahead of so many years. Like some people have already experienced a lot during their time in business, which they share with us in their books. By reading those books will help us avoid certain mistakes we're going to encounter during business and all that. So maybe you can click the link in the description to get some of those books on Amazon. And a little tip here, I get a commission when you buy such books. When you click or purchase any books on Amazon, I get a little commission. I'm going to be clear right here. Alright, and if you're new here and you like videos like this, my name is Francis Abogonye once again. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and tick that bell notification icon so that you'll be notified of any videos that I release when I release them. Let me know your thoughts and your concerns in the comment section down below, and share this video with your friends. You don't just want to keep it to yourself alone. And that'll be all.